This video's shoutouts go to Madison, ACPC, and Brooklyn's World for commenting yeet in my last video.
Hey guys, welcome back to PerkyTomato, and today I just have a quick video for you all. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my December Etsy restock. If you don't already know, I have an Etsy called Perky's Petites. I'll have it linked down below so you can go ahead and check it out, maybe possibly buy from it, which would mean a lot. So today I have a few new items that I want to show you that are brand spanking new to my shop. So let's just go ahead and hop into them. So number one are these cute little holiday cards. I'll have a little slideshow playing while I show you them in real life. So they are handmade watercolor Christmas cards. So this is the first design. They're going to come in these cute little brown envelopes. There are 3 available of each design, so in total 6 holiday Christmas cards. These are going to be priced at $2, plus there is free shipping, so you're only paying $2. That's it, and they're super cute. I hand painted them. They're going to be all hand painted. Can't see very well, but the photos you'll probably see better. So they're hand painted, like as you can see. This is like an aurora borealis inside of a snow globe. Wow, my camera is really cutting out the detail. And they will come in this cute little brown envelope, and it opens up. It's blank, so you can write whatever you want, and this is what the back will look like. Not 2 cards will not be alike, okay, because they're all hand painted. And this is the second card design. So this is probably my favorite one. It's a little ornament in a Christmas tree, and yes, the same thing. It opens up, this is what the back looks like, and it comes in these cute little brown envelopes. If you like what you see, please consider buying. They are only $2 and free shipping, so yeah. Second item in my restock are these cute little scarves. So I have these white ones and then these red ones, or burgundy ones. They're not really bright red, but here is the white one. These are also all handmade, obviously. I hand crocheted them. Aren't they cute? So this is the white one. They're handmade, and they're infinity scarves, so there's 2 little layers. I think they look better with 2 layers, and they go with anything. So that's the white one, and then here is the red one. It's obviously a bit thinner than a white one, and it looks a little bit different, but it's still super cute. So if you are interested in these scarves, please consider buying them. They are only $3.25. That's only $3.25, my dudes, and you do have to pay shipping, but I promise the shipping won't be that expensive, especially if you live in the US. Alright guys, that's basically it. I told you it was a quick video, but don't worry, there's a new video coming up, and I have a ton of Christmas video ideas. It's just further, okay, my camera's like... Alright guys, that's basically it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, because I love talking to you guys. And if you watched this far, please comment down below, purple hairbrush, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all share this channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.